subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Poco M6 Pro. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco M6 Pro features a tall 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. As per the camera, the Poco M6 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and a 2-megapixel portrait lens, with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8-megapixel selfie shooter under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, based on MIUI 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.17 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco M6 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 9th, in Power Black and Forest Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M6 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.